maybe I'm the kind of guy that runs around the office telling everybody how great I am, and so why not just do that on YouTube as well? So today, as we talk about our electrical components over here, I'm going to introduce to you a few of the electrical components. The very first one is the foundation of any great electrical system, and it's the shunt that measures all of the current going in and out of your electrical system. It's also going to measure the state of charge of your electrical system. That's basically telling you if your electrical system is full, empty, or middle. Now, there's a few different options as you go into this. You have a Victron Smart shunt, and you also have the Victron BMV 712. And Kenny, you do know I like saying BMV 712 a lot. Hey, you may want to put up a counter and just put BMV 712, bang. Now, if you want to watch an unboxing video or how to set this up video, there's hundreds of them online. I'm just going to tell you why I use a BMV 712 in my rig. First of all, it's got a Bluetooth app. Okay, you know, as a self-proclaimed van genius, I'm not too smart sometimes, and I need a Bluetooth app. It does that. The other thing it does is on the little dial that you can put in your front of your vehicle as you're driving. I like to cut a little circle in there, put that in there, so as I'm driving, I can figure out if my secondary alternator is charging the battery, I can figure out if my other DC to DC chargers, or I can figure out if I left something on and for some reason it's not charging. I don't actually have to pull up the Bluetooth app, I can just look at the digital dial. The other thing that little digital dial does is it actually allows you to do a programmable relay. And it means that based on the state of charge of your house electrical system, your big old blue batteries in the back, you can actually start your vehicle using a Nomadic cooling. Well, it's not really a Nomadic cooling, but we sell them over here. Auto starts for your Sprinters. If you're Fords, there's different ways to do it. But basically what that means is if you set the voltage down to 10 volts, and you want your car to start, this will do that. Okay, inside this box, there's actual instructions. And if you go to Victron's website, there's a plethora of videos and documentation that tell you everything to do with this. Guys, if you want to learn more about electrical from a guy who doesn't know a lot about electrical, follow along to these here electrical videos over at Nomadic Cooling. And the self-proclaimed van genius will tell you everything about the products that I want you to buy so that I can keep kibble on my plate for my beautiful puppy. Go over to our website, buy a pre-configured kit that was actually configured by an engineer and has 22 pages of graphics that were designed by our in-house graphic department. That's just perfect for you and your overland electrical system. You don't have to do any of the thinking. Guys, so if you want to go further with less information about your BMV 712, put that counter up. Go over to nomadiccooling.com today. Let's go.